Welcome to this presentation on the future of serverless computing, simplifying deployment and scaling. We'll explore topics such as what is serverless computing, benefits of serverless computing, how serverless computing works, example of a serverless function, popular serverless frameworks, more tools for serverless development, challenges of serverless computing, future of serverless computing, and conclusion, embrace the serverless revolution. Serverless computing is a cloud execution model that eliminates the need for server management. Developers can focus solely on writing code, while the cloud provider dynamically allocates resources as needed. Importantly, although servers are still involved, they are fully managed by the provider, allowing for seamless scaling and deployment. This approach simplifies the development process and empowers developers to innovate without the overhead of infrastructure concerns. Cost efficiency is a major benefit, allowing you to pay only for what you actually use, minimizing waste. Automatic scaling means your applications adjust seamlessly to varying traffic demands. With reduced operational overhead, there's less server management, freeing your team to focus on innovation. Finally, the improved development speed accelerates deployment and iteration, enabling quicker responses to market changes. Serverless computing operates by executing code in response to specific events. These events can range from HTTP requests to changes in a database. The functions are designed to be small, stateless, and independently executable. A prime example is AWS Lambda, which triggers execution based on these events, allowing for efficient and scalable application deployment. This Python function illustrates a simple AWS Lambda example. It accepts a JSON payload containing a list of numbers and computes their sum. The stateless nature of this function allows easy scaling, handling multiple requests seamlessly. By using serverless architecture, developers can focus solely on application logic, without getting bogged down by infrastructure concerns. AWS Lambda is the industry leader for serverless applications, providing a robust platform for deployment. Google Cloud Functions seamlessly executes code from various Google services, enhancing integration. Azure Functions allows for event-driven execution, making it a favorite among Microsoft users. Lastly, the serverless framework simplifies multi-cloud deployment, making it easier for developers to manage resources across different environments. This combination of tools shapes the future of serverless computing, streamlining development and scaling processes. Zappa simplifies deploying Flask applications directly to AWS Lambda, making back-end integration seamless. Architect offers an easy framework for creating serverless applications, reducing complexity. For front-end developers, Netlify functions provide a straightforward way to implement serverless functions. Lastly, Firebase functions deliver a robust back-end solution specifically designed for mobile and web apps, ensuring smooth performance and scalability. Cold starts can significantly affect performance, introducing latency that hampers user experience. Additionally, vendor lock-in can make migrating to other platforms difficult and costly. Debugging becomes a challenge, as developers lack direct server access, complicating issue resolution. Lastly, there's limited control over the execution environment, which can hinder optimization efforts. The future of serverless computing is bright, with increasing adoption of agile development practices that enable teams to innovate faster. We can expect enhancements in tooling and frameworks, making deployment even simpler. A greater emphasis on security and compliance will safeguard our applications. Lastly, the integration with AI and machine learning services will unlock new possibilities, making serverless a cornerstone of modern application architectures. Serverless computing is a game-changer, empowering developers to unleash their creativity. By focusing on delivering real value rather than managing complex infrastructure, teams can innovate faster. As you plan your next project, consider embracing serverless to enhance efficiency. And remember, joining the backend developers community will provide you with valuable insights and tips to navigate this revolution.